Welcome to FoxLearn. In this video, I'll show you how to use Model-View-ViewModel framework with DevExpress Control. Open your Visual Studio, then create a new Windows Forms application project. Next, right-click on your project, then add an ADO.NET Entity Data Model to your project. I'll use the Northwind database for practice. If you don't have the Northwind database, you can download it at the FoxLearn website. Next, rebuild your project, then use the DevExpress template gallery to generate Model-View-ViewModel framework based on your model. You can easily select the views you want to use, like Tabbed MDI View, Hybrid UI View or Outlook-inspired UI View. As you can see, this template will automatically generate source code based on Model-View-ViewModel framework. The DevExpress Model-View-ViewModel framework allows you to utilize the Model-View-ViewModel design pattern in WinForms applications. Now, take a look at the source code generated using the DevExpress template gallery. Model-View-ViewModel is an architectural design pattern that separates your application into 3 layers that make up the pattern's title. The view model connects model and view. This layer is an abstraction of the view that exposes public properties and commands used to bind your data to GUI elements and manage this data. The model defines the data and your business logic. The view specifies the UI, including all visual elements, such as buttons, labels, editors, and more. It's bound to properties and commands in the view model. This separation grants you multiple benefits, such as a more independent development process for both developers and designers, easier code testing or simpler UI redesigning. Finally, rebuild your project, then drag main view from Visual Studio Toolbox into your form designer, or you can also change the main view inheritance from extra user control to extra form or ribbon form. The WinForms platform, without a third-party Model-View-ViewModel framework, lacks such essentials as agile data bindings or bindable commands. To follow Model-View-ViewModel principles, you would have to manually implement those features, thus creating an additional layer named called Presenter. Typically, this layer includes user controls and their code behind, methods that customize view elements, event handlers and bindings. The DevExpress Model-View-ViewModel framework provides built-in support for all those features, thus enabling pure Model-View-ViewModel development with WinForms without the need for that additional workload. As an added benefit, it integrates well with DevExpress WinForms UI controls that you are already using in your applications. With modern UI design, you can easily change the look and feel. It also supports smooth form transitions. Furthermore, you can easily redesign the layout while the app is running. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.